Hey everyone, before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and turn notifications on to all to get the tech opportunity updates first. If you are looking to land an SD internship or job at Flipkart, this video is just for you. I am going to walk you through everything about Flipkart Grid 7.2, the rounds, eligibility prices, roles, and the registration process. And yes, it's open to everyone, even first year students can apply. So let's get into it. This is the official post from Flipkart. Grid 7.2 is India's biggest campus coding challenge, and what makes it even cooler? Open to all colleges, degrees, specializations. It has solo registration only, real world e commerce problem solving, 6 lakh plus internship plus full time SD1 roles, and you've been mentored by Flipkart industry experts. And trust me, this could be your launch pad into one of the top product companies in India. So let's head to the official opportunity page where you will find the complete breakdown. Eligibility is open to students from B.Tech, M.Tech, BE, MS, and dual integrated degrees. Batch of 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and of course, even 2030 for dual degrees are allowed. So there are four major rounds. First is the screening round. It will be based on your academics, consistency, and extra achievements. Round two is the coding round. You will given three questions. You have to complete it in 90 minutes. Any languages are allowed like C, C++, Java, Python. It will be your choice. Third will be the code based coding challenge. You have to solve a real Flipkart problem with the tech solutions. Round 4 is the national finale. Top 48 students will be fly to Bangalore headquarters, form team of 4 and present a working prototype in front of Flipkart's leadership. Your performance here can lead to summer internships for third year students, winter internships or full-time roles for the final year students. So yes, the most exciting part is the prizes. 1,50,000 rupees for rank 1, two teams will be there. 1 lakh for rank 2, here also two teams will be there, and 50,000 for rank 3, two teams will be there, plus certificate, social media recognition, and the chance to be seen as India's top tech talent. This is not just a contest, it's a career booster, trust me. Now let's quickly go through the registration form. PAN card is mandatory. If you don't have one, apply for e-PAN card now. You will get it instantly. Fill it in your personal info, name, email, contact, date of birth, and the gender. Add educational details, choose highest education, and add more if needed. Add your GitHub link, even if you have basic 1 to 2 projects, it's okay. Just add it. Share your internships if you have anyone done. Also, make sure to add the summary also. Upload certificates if you have any. Mention any competitive ranks, achievements, or hackathon wins. Finally, upload your PDF, resume, passport photo, and government ID card. It's all online and free, so no payment is required. Don't use your mobile, laptop, or PC is mandatory for the test. The deadline for this opportunity is 30 June 2025, so don't miss it. So that's everything you need to know about Flipkart 7.2, eligibility, rounds, prices, opportunities, and how to register. I have dropped the link in the description. Go register right now. This could be your entry into Flipkart as an SDE. If this helped to you, do give it a like, share it with your college groups, and subscribe for more such top tier opportunities. All the best, coders.